Hello friends, Neil here, EMF Safety Zone channel. I'm going to do a part 1 and a part 2 to this video because I don't know how to edit videos. So right here you see the linen shielding hood, and I put a box inside just so it could hold the space like a head. In the distance there I turned my Bluetooth on, and you can see about 27 to 37 microwatts per square meter. And watch what happens when I put this meter inside the shielding hood here. It goes down to about half a microwatt per square meter. Let me pull it out. Right back up to about 30 microwatts per square meter. And this is duplicating when a person's head is inside here. That went all the way down to a quarter microwatt per square meter. And understand that this would go down even lower, except the microwave from the Bluetooth is bouncing around the office, so we can come around from various directions. But you can see the efficacy of the hood from what I'm showing you here. All right, thanks for watching.